With travel demand accelerating rapidly, the hospitality industry is experiencing a new major challenge: labor shortages resulting in sharply rising labor cost in the America, which consumed as much as 87% of RevPAR as CBRE in Q1 2021. Total labor costs in the USA, as percentage of total hotel revenue, jumped from 37.4% for the period April 2019 to March 2020 to 60.5% between April 2020 and March 2021, as per the Hotstat study. Hotel Effectiveness reported that wages in hospitality operations, frontline positions such as housekeeping, front desk, wait staff, line cooks, etc., are up more than 20% since April 2020. Hotels and restaurants alike are now offering sign-up bonuses. In our view, there are two ways for dealing with the acute labor shortages and unsustainable labor cost. One is pay up. That is to continue to offer sign-up bonuses, higher wages, and interview cash payments, making profitability even more elusive. Else it's wiser to invest in technology to solve the current labor shortages through innovation, automation, mobility, robotization, and next-gen technology applications. 1. Prearrival. Review or hire an outside consultancy to audit your property website and booking engine. If we put aside the value of much-needed direct bookings, having a good website and booking engine significantly reduces phone calls or email requests to the property. An AI-powered chatbot on the property website like Ask Suite or Umna.bg engages users, answers all of their questions, and steer them toward making a booking. Chatbots provide users with information through text, images, video, audio, etc., and serve as your property's 24/7 virtual customer service department. Using CRM technology like Sendin CRM Suite or Revenate, you continue the automated conversation with your booked guests, from reservation confirmations, pre-arrival messaging with useful information like weather during the stay, events and happenings at the property and in the destination, customized upsells and upgrades based on the RFM value or membership status of the guest, etc. Mobile check-ins provides contactless experience preferred by the majority of today's customers, reducing significantly the number of front desk personnel needed to check in guests, and also optimizes the utilization of housekeeping staff. 2. At the property. Recently, Marriott announced that it is testing automated kiosks equipped with self-cleaning touch screens that can check in guests and hand out room keys. With mobile and self-check-in, you can handle most of your guests and reduce your front desk staff to a skeleton crew level, sufficient to handle complex customer service issues. Large hotels with conference facilities, resorts with large pool areas, and casinos can benefit greatly from security robots, diligently working 24/7. The Lightstrike UVC light germ zapping robot by Xenex Disinfection Services and the Germinator robots by Germbusters use xenon ultraviolet light pulses to kill viruses, bacteria, and fungi, and are already deployed at hundreds of hotels in the US. Robots like Rosie by MaidBot, 2,000 of which have already been deployed at various hotels, clean guest rooms 20% faster, and public areas up to 80% faster than human housekeepers. Robot housekeepers mean 24/7 cleanliness programs, no health risks when handling toxic disinfectants, electrostatic sprayers, UVC light devices, and all of this at 6 times lower cost per hour. Porter and delivery robots have been in use at hotels ever since the Aloft Cupertino debuted a relay delivery robot by Savioke back in 2014. Relay robots and tug robots by Ethan are increasingly used at hotels to deliver in-room items to guests, like their luggage, room service meals, and fresh linens. Already used by thousands of hotels, Internet of Things, IoT, devices sense when the guest is or isn't in the room, and automatically adjust lighting and temperature, thus saving utility costs. Alert housekeeping when room is empty or vacated. Signal engineering when something needs fixing, etc. The future definitely belongs to the fully automated smart room, similar to the ones being developed by Marriott, IoT Guestroom Lab, Hilton, The Connected Room, and other major brands. A hotel room that knows your preferences, and automatically adapts to your likes via IoT, mobility and automation from lighting to room temperature, syncing the smart TV with your Netflix, Prime or Hulu streaming accounts, automatically ordering from housekeeping extra pillows or blankets, or your brand of single malt whiskey from room service, if this is what you like. Hilton CEO Christopher Nassetta describes the connected room concept. Imagine a world where the room knows you, and you know your room. Staff collaboration tools like Beekeeper, Core, Zingle, Alice, HelloShift, etc. keep staff members and teams connected at all times, and in real time, which vastly increases the flow of information, job performance, issue resolution and staff efficiencies. 3. Food and beverage, F&B. F&B tends to be the most labor-intensive segment of hospitality. One thing is for sure in the post-COVID era, restaurant menus will be greatly simplified and room service will mostly disappear, replaced in many instances by food delivery services like Grubhub, DoorDash, etc. Waiting for a waiter to come and take your order is so pre-pandemic. Self-ordering kiosks like Alia and Kiosk, table ordering screens or menus via QR codes, and ordering via customers' own smartphone is the way to go after the crisis. We will be witnessing a real resurrection of the vending machine serving breakfast, snacks, hot and cold drinks, naturally in a much more sophisticated interpretation. Marriott is already testing giant vending machines it calls grab-and-go marketplaces that can dispense everything from coffee to breakfast sandwiches and cereal. Robot bartenders like Tipsy Robot by Macca Shaka makes 120+ drinks per hour, replaces up to 4 human bartenders, and saves 25% of the drink waste to spillage. Other bartending robots like Barzies 2.0 by New York-based startup Barzies, Barney by Baronix, and the DrinkBot by Batrista are also being deployed across the nation. Robots like Flippy by Miso Robotics are flipping burgers at Cali Burger and White Castle restaurants to the delight of their customers, while the salad-making robot Sally by Chowbotics prepares signature salads at quadruple the human pace. 4. Post-stay. Having a meaningful CRM technology application as part of your hotel tech stack provides automated post-stay communications, guest satisfaction surveys, guest retention marketing automation, and drip marketing campaigns, guest recognition program management, and loyalty marketing. All of these fully automated initiatives save significant labor costs vs. having to do this the pre-COVID way. Using AI, automation, robotization, IoT, and other next-gen technologies, the hotel can still keep a human facade, but automate all of the back-end operations, enable smart guest communications, and automate and personalize every touch point with the customer. Yes, and add a few humans with a warm smile into the mix. So how much human labor would a hotel need in the future? 5-10 years from now, hoteliers won't need half the people they needed in 2019, and the savings from payroll will mean the automation and next-gen technology will pay for itself.